In a 2026, is a shame and disgrace to see where Vybz Kartel hard work of building the Gaza has turned out to be. Gaza lose its militancy.
Don't know anything going on.
Big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia.
Yo, you know when me know said the boy Alkaline have powers? Last year when we go Barclays Center. Oh, Claude. Me see the girl next to me a bar living and chew yai water.
Alkaline'S say the only time invent is when it's time to invent. Yeah. The only time invent is when him seem stuck or low and him have creative mind think alike when him want to be creative. That's the only time invent. You know, are you dumb? Are you guys dumb? The only time invent is when it's time to invent. March 21st, no so that blood clot in Barclays Center to the world, that Alkaline'S say.
From not wanting Shensi upon Lodi to know him need Shensi's help? People, uno things me forget. Me not forget to come out with receipt.
Skipper the new
Somebody
Alkaline.
asked me a question, it's a good, and you know, fear me I talk about Skipper too much, but at night time, is Skipper the new Alkaline? No.
Vybz Kartel rate Alkaline to debone.
I would alone do not like Alkaline. Right now, Alkaline is Vybz Kartel #1 artist. Me nah ask that. Vybz Kartel no listen to no other artist song away from Alkaline. And him take him one line them. Yeah. And him build him song round them.
And I don't wanna start it. Tell them forget it, yeah. Basically stop it. Riches from Bacchus, money I spend. This the light of day, them not gonna see again. Everybody saw them a killing please. Everybody saw them a killing please. Hey, no recovery. I said to talent them, I tell them should I get some muggies. When I go pop my channel, do that man a tuggy. Boy them a walk up with them life, will left them bloody body. Punk them in a worry. Medics in a worry.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. Blessed day to everyone. So people, we have some topic for talk about. We see some people make some comments on Alkaline and also we see a clippings with Jeffrey, Let's Be Honest podcast. And him ask if Alkaline or no, if Skipper is the new Alkaline. And me I wonder in myself, why them always compare Alkaline to all of these artists and them now compare the other artists them to all of these new artists? Why them always compare Alkaline to the new artists them drop on the ground, but them now compare them to Cartel, them now compare them to Massacre, them now compare them to Popcorn. And my brain get the idea and understanding say because Alkaline are the greatest after every artist way forward. Alkaline are the greatest artist in a modern dancehall, which is why them always compare Alkaline to all of these new artists. You see the break where Alkaline get in a dancehall, nobody has ever gotten that break in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel busting a 2,000 viewers and subscribers, and the break when him get wasn't that phenomenal like a Alkaline break. The break where Popcorn get wasn't that phenomenal like a Alkaline break. The break where Massacre get wasn't that phenomenal like a Alkaline break. So because Skipper out here do the dirt, he might do the dirt, viewers and subscribers, he might make waves, he might do him thing. So you see, Jeffrey them forward on them podcast, you know, I make comments to say if Skipper is the new Alkaline, but here's my take on that. Skipper and Alkaline are Alkaline. I don't see another artist who will come in a dancehall. Well, the artist they probably not born yet or not bust yet. But I haven't seen the next artist who come in a dancehall will get the break like what Alkaline get. And which is the reason being is because Alkaline is a more talented artist than some of the artists that move forward in the space of dancehall. Alkaline more versatile, in more storytelling lines, them in him songs, them connect differently from some of them artists. All Skipper sing about a chopping and scamming and white collar crime and all of them things. We not see the versatility in some of them artists. And not taking anything from Skipper, but we not see versatility. Me understand, say them must say, him a captivate or a collectively a billion cult following viewers and subscribers. But that I only thing. But as it pertains to the music, me not really see the diversity there. But let's see what am I doing in the next couple of years from now. Give him time. But the comparison with Alkaline and Skipper, I don't see it. But viewers and subscribers, me have some things for sure. Some people I make some comments on Alkaline. Me see a lady I say, Alkaline, and the man, she has said Alkaline, I said the only time inventor when him reinvent and invent himself. Mama say she live and direct in a Barclays Center March 21st, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to show the clippings of phone. And I have another clippings with a Umbre. I said when him realize say Alkaline powerful, the time when him realize the Alkaline powerful, and when him see Alkaline pull up in a Barclays Center, and the man say him stand up beside her beam, stand up beside her girl, and the girl a cry living eye water for the DJ dog, Jano viewers and subscribers. Alkaline a display Michael Jackson aura to blow viewers and subscribers. But me have a whole lot of things for sure now. Make sure so you like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So people, without further ado, make we kick off the vlog like this.
Drive rate, overstand, send me have a lot for my plate. Money on the thing, put a smile for my face. Suburb complex, condos by the lakes, all them a play it, yeah.
So Jeffrey did make a talk one time, viewers and subscribers, and he stated that once you mention Alkaline name, your viewership are going to go up. You're going to get a whole heap of viewers. A whole heap of people are going to tune in. Because viewers and subscribers, you don't know how the Vendetta fans them stay already. Once Alkaline name in the title, them are going to tune in for hear what I say. But me never really tune in to all of what Jeffrey did as say viewers and subscribers. Me only got a clippings online. Me did make a comment over there, but me never really watch the whole clippings. Because me know him or either send some sort of shades at Alkaline or this Alkaline. So me never really tune into it. The only clippings are the only piece of the clippings me get are the clippings were mentioned with Skipper, and I got it online off of TikTok viewers and subscribers. So where Jeffrey I say viewers and subscribers.
Skipper the new
Somebody
Alkaline.
asked me a question, and it's a good, and you know, fear me I talk about Skipper too much, but at night time, is Skipper the new Alkaline?
No. No, and this is me giving, I guess you would say, some reverence to Alkaline in a way. I think the only thing they really have in common is maybe the fan base looking like a cultish for Skipper. And Alkaline's fan base is cultish that way. So that's what I would say. I would say maybe if there's something that you could say that, if he's a new Alkaline, that's the only thing I would say. The fan base seems to be very cult-like for both of them. Because me young you just swear by Skipper. Like them swear by him. So I would say if there is a comparison, that's the comparison. But
that's the fan base?
Yeah.
So about the run? He's on a run.
Yeah, but is he on a run like an Alka run?
But I feel like
maybe we have to wait a little longer.
No, I feel like we can't get back an Alka run based on how music is being consumed these days.
Okay.
Now, me don't know if some people consciously know what them do when them do something like this, viewers and subscribers, but them not understand, say, them only a display Alkaline's greatness, you know. I sure say Alkaline great as a person, as an individual, as it means, you know, viewers and subscribers. Now, Skipper is a new and upcoming artist, and if Skipper can build him thing or build him foundation as solid as possible, like a Alkaline in a dancehall with a collective fan base, dropping music, hits after hits, him fan base are gonna love him music for what it is. Maybe we not gonna love it because we are not the fanatics like his fan base or his fans, viewers and subscribers. But if Skipper can build him thing on a solid level like a Alkaline, as I say, nobody not ever viewers and subscribers I go get for do what Alkaline do in a dancehall. Nobody will ever do it. Me not see artists who can do it. But if Skipper can do him thing in his own way, in his own style, fine. But me not see the comparison for say him a the new Alkaline, but Skipper a good artist, I do him thing, him fans them love him. We see say everybody I say night, not everybody, but we see say a lot of youths I say night time, which is his slogan. But viewers and subscribers, you make me know what you think in the comment section. You think say, well, Jeffrey them forward with on them podcasts are garbage. But viewers and subscribers, them always compare Alkaline to every artist. When Rygin King did bust, them compare Alkaline to him. Or compare Rygin King to Alkaline. When Squash them did bust, I same thing. When Skeng bust, same thing. When Skillibang bust, same thing. When Valiant bust, same damn thing, viewers and subscribers. And him not realize say a greatness Alkaline depend. Them not realize say them a show say Alkaline a great artist in a dancehall.
Yo, you know when me know say the boy Alkaline have powers? Last year when we go Barclays Center. Oh, Lord. Me see the girl next to me a ball living and chew yai water. You see when the man touch the stage? Bro, me say the energy shifting at the Barclays Center, bro. That boy they have some powers, match up with some powers, bro. Only hip hop artists, Chris Brown and them, and them me see get the woman them certain way, bro, and you know, and Michael Jack, that boy they have some powers, bro. Man, tell you that dog they have some powers. And I like that dog when the man touch the stage and me see all the crowd are react and me say wait. When I tell me see her, me have to look at me and boost bump, me say the bump. I don't normally get them things done. I want to go on. Bro, me say the brother have some powers done. The dog have some powers. The man a chop with some powers, bro. The boy him powerful. Big man thing. Everywhere me turn, when me just a reach, everywhere me turn. Cause you know you hear people a chat. Everywhere me talk, be people a plan like them a plan, so them a walk out after Alkaline done perform. Me say blood clot. But it's real, me I tell all my empress say, yo, you know, say look like say them people are gonna walk out and kill us, guy. Everybody, everywhere me told me them at so I say, yo, after done perform them I walk out. Me I say blood clot, this look serious, man. Yeah man, the brother they have powers, man. Alkaline him powerful. The artist is powerful. Me don't know, bro. Me don't know who you walk with, bro. You walk with some powers, dog. Big man thing. Me never know say no dancehall artist can pull them powers and have them kind of power, yeah, bro. Me I tell you the truth. Dog, powerful.
Remember, Alkaline did tell you saying a top prize now. If him stick to the plan, them soon can pay him for do no song viewers and subscribers. And Alkaline also stated that, yo, I know anybody get to live the life where we live, get the gal money we see. I know everybody can do what we do in our short space of time, make it look so easy. Yo, I know anybody can ask anybody. If I saw it easy, it would have been for everybody. Yo, little youth in a bill feet, don't got the skill feet, still to the way we elite. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline is on a trajectory, a legendary trajectory, viewers and subscribers. And a lot of people out here are really see it for themselves clearly, viewers and subscribers. So many contents me have to post in this vlog here with people I give Alkaline such a high respect when them realize say Alkaline is a youth who stay out of the mix and still I dominate the space. Him still the most talked about artist. Them a wonder and say, yo, how the youth you do it? Man, all I say, Alkaline go downtown and be a people. Ray. Me I say, judge of God. Yeah, man, Alkaline, the vendetta boss, dog. Them man, the thing different. You not hear Pablo YG forward out and tell you no. When it come to Alkaline, them man, the thing different. But viewers and subscribers, you hear Umbria say, all goosebump him a catch when him there in a concert. That is to show you how much of a giant, a legend Alkaline is. The whole aura will surround the data bars. People feel it.
Alkaline say the only time invent is when it's time to invent. Yeah. The only time invent is when him seem stuck low and him have creative mind think alike when him want to be creative. That's the only time invent. Don't know, are you dumb? Are you guys dumb? The only time invent is when it's time to invent. March 21st, no so that blood clot in Barclays Center to the world. That Alkaline say. I'm only invent when it's time to invent. Right? When him see him start drop. And when him feel like him money I go down, at the only time I go invent. Him I gotta be creative. Him I gotta be the genius. How we do no man? Man, I'm alone, look boy alone, I'm gonna get a life. I'm gonna get a life. I sing about the whole of Unen and song and I have a big sense of nonsense. Like clever blood clot dude. Alkaline are the cleverest dude me ever see. A young dude, he's an old man enough. But I always cheer for the underdog. The dude they get a lot of fight for no reason, a blood clot all. None of you can tell you why not eat the boy, why not fight against the boy, all blood clot, Bigfoot elephant man. I pass the boy and I say no. What the boy do know? When you don't come out and give a legit reason, say Alkaline, I feel no. Man, you can't talk that. You know, follow monkey see monkey blood clot do and not follow fools and becomes idiot. So only fool do not follow and becomes idiot. Yeah. The man said only invent when it's time to invent, and if guess what, I'm not entertaining none of you. So if you not look for my attention, you not got dead for hungry. You not get him attention, you not get no popularity, you not get no knowledge, you not got dead for hungry because him not entertaining, you know. Him not clap back, and them say only two and clap. So you alone got clap. You alone got clap because Alkaline not clap black. Now look for no because no exist in dead. When you start the movie and dead in it, and him now look there so my love. Cause him not see dead people. When you start the movie and die in it, and him now look there so cause him not see dead people, and him now look for no not even one alive. Two and clap not one. And him now clap back. The man say the only invent and when it's time to event. Him now lease the house and him now pay a mortgage, everything is in bought is paid for in cash. Can you all show your house title? Can you all show your car title, your vehicle title? If you can't show it, you lease it. Me, I cheer for the underdog, and the whole I want to look down for the look of you that I look at you that can rise above all demon and all blood clot devil. Yeah? Yes, the only time invent is when it's time for event. Invest. Man, the boy, a billionaire. A silent millionaire heading to billionaire. Me not ask Christ. Not look on him, not go no noise. Him not go no followers. Yes. Sad you all try to pluck him out. He's not looking. He's not looking in none of you guys' direction. March 21st, right? So Barclays Center to the fucking world. Yeah, he's a young kid. Why would I want to argue with a kid? Why would I want to go toe-to-toe and entertain a kid? Yes, he's a kid. He's only 32. And all them opponents, them are some long-time big man like him. He's a long-time big man. Yeah. He's a long-time big man. I'm at 60s. I'm cheer for the underdog. Barclays Center, March 23rd. Marvelous out and about. Right, there's something I like stage show, but that's the only show me I go. I'm a cheer for the underdog. Yes, I get an unnecessary fight. No reason. Y'all don't like this man for no reason. When you're Alkaline out, I don't know, I don't sound like it. Y'all a dumb fucking bitch. Y'all following fools and becomes idiot. Too sad. Alkaline March 21st. Yeah, that's my motto.
Big up yourself, Empress. Much respect for your show, the Data Boss. Love. Viewers and subscribers, wanna see both the young and the old respect the Data Boss. Legendary dreams. So much money she out for turning half in. Yeah. Champion in a maniac. Half in a money maniac. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline out here are do it big. And the fuck of them not like to see how the youth are do it. Everything them try to do, them tear down the youth. Them a talk about how the youth are go flap a Barclays Center. How the youth now go sell out Barclays Center. And how the youth need help for Barclays Center. One bag of talking in the media. The youth drop a Jamaica. Oh, him not antisocial no more. Him need to go back in him yard or what. Cartel make him start get active up in his space. Dancehall, no dog. Alkaline go hard if him want go hard, dog. Or Alkaline go slow if him want go slow. Him not tell you already, dog. Alkaline a do him thing normally. Alkaline have him shows them a come up. Alkaline have him album a come up. So Alkaline a greet and mix and mingle with him fans, them the ones them who truly love him for who him be. Not uno the haters who see him out here a enjoy and a walk around in a town or Aki walk and a greet him fans them where I find problem with it. Uno a find problem with everything what Alkaline a do. But Alkaline do him thing normally. Your mama say the dude nah give none of no attention, dog. The dude nah give none of no attention, nah give no form of acknowledgement. So the artists them we are send shades in them song after Alkaline, thinking say Alkaline are run out pan them because them want this track youth. The youth say. We distract, they can't distract me. We not hear already, man. Alkaline tell no dog. Anything on our fire from the dog now pay on no mind. But viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about what Mama said, man. Mama go hard. Mama said Barclays Center March 21st will be live, will be outside. Jaja God. People, make sure so now represent, make sure so now buy on the tickets and out and about ready for March 21st. It now go normal. So viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts as it pertains to that.
Push move. Don't know anything going on. Big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia.
So Jigo and Alkaline then I studio people, and as you can see, it look like the man them a cook up something wicked. So I guess Jigo Dan project or Jigo Dan song will be on the album. You don't know Jigo Dan a producer already. So Jigo Dan probably a producer song for Alkaline for them on the album also. Viewers and subscribers. It look like it not normal, but as you can see in a picture with Alkaline showing the unsign of somebody yapping. Like Alkaline say, yo, all you see them out there doing be a yapping, them a yapping a song, no. Them not talk up straight. Them just a act bad. Them not brave. Them not call name. And that's all them are the viewers and subscribers. And as me show you, Alkaline in the video, Alkaline are showing the inside, the talking inside say, a be a yappings are going out there. So we are wait for the album in the Alkaline. Yeah, move like you know want to drop it yet. You know, I understand say, yeah, hold out a little bit because you know say the other artists them out for drop. But them are wait for Alkaline for drop first. So them can run, go back to the drawing board for go fix up back where them have to fix up in them album. But yeah, Alkaline have to hold back a little bit. And a years Alkaline been a do this, you know, dog. Alkaline been now drop music like a lot of music because the artists them bite and copy him style every chance them get. And them not wait long for copy it. As Alkaline drop a song all 2 weeks after you see the man them copy his style. That them a do out here.
Yo, me have to laugh, you know. The man them want to fight for kingship, a man will say them a king. The whole of them a pick out Alkaline lyrics. Then just a copy and a paste to blood clot. Massacre you do it. And now me see Cartel do it. And now me see Beenie Man remix back. Now left the game. Me nah go nowhere. Boy, me have to laugh, you know. Alkaline, you are the goat. Believe. Greatest of all. Bumbuckler time. I wanna like that. Go suck them mother. Brawling.
Yo, Jungle Dungo, me never see that one there. No, you discover that one there, that Jaja got viewers and subscribers. Jungle Dungo said, be the man a thief, Alkaline style too. When Alkaline said, me nah left the game, be the man run out and say, me nah go nowhere. Me nah go nowhere. Bumbuckly, yo, me never see that one there. Yo, people. Yo, the whole artists them out here copy Alkaline style now. It's so ironic to see. The whole of the artists them will fight against Alkaline. And them have to live in them style. You can't make this shit up. This shit cannot be possible. Jaja God.
Yeah, me the man's in front. Silence, not the panic chef for the barrier son. Rich for real, them they expecting outcome right now. Them are taking notes and I write this down.
You little piece of blood clot shit. You little bang belly, big head, water head, blood clot boy, when I stop fuck body. First of all, how the fuck boy you buy views? You know say you're the biggest thing in the dancehall. Where the fuck you buy views for? How come your music have more views in India? Or who in a blood clot India boy? Speak anything and understand anything your blood clot sing say. Impossible. Who the blood clot in India know nothing or listen to anything your blood clot sing. Impossible. Where them the foreign country they come from? Whoa, you are get views in them the place they and them the people they know nothing about blood clot you. In Bamba what? Stock by views, bitch nigga.
So the brother on the screen I say Vibes Cartel are buy views, viewers and subscribers. And we've been discovering this for a while now. We know it's a Vibes Cartel buy a whole heap of views from India. It may be his producer will do the songs them theme I buy the views or a him I buy the views. But nevertheless a him same way. So the brother cuss out Vibes Cartel I say I buy views in India. Just couple days ago viewers and subscribers, genocide fans them, massacre fans them, discover it and know it and understand it for themselves. Say, Vibes Cartel out here I buy views for him songs them. But Pat can't cuss Kettle, cause Massacre I buy views also for its songs. The only person when I buy views in a dancehall people are Alkaline. He my only man where we not see I buy views on the chart. So, you know the brother call out Cartel I say, yo, which smaddy are India? Who are India know your song them? Why y'all get so much views from India? And people, if you don't want to know how them are buy views or if them are buy views, go over to YouTube charts. Type in YouTube charts on Google and you guys will find whosoever buy views. Type in the artist them name and type in the countries them where the artists them get streams from. If you don't want to know which artists are buy views. But Vibes Cartel's Hype Live song rack up over 1.1 million views, viewers and subscribers. And it states that in the past 28 days, Vibes Cartel by over 700,000 views, viewers and subscribers. It's crazy, right? But people, the brother cuss out Vibes Cartel. I don't know if you did watch YouTube and see the video them with the man them assure the views buying. So I guess I guess him see it. I don't know where him see it, but people, let me know what you think about what the brother say, my cuss your fuck.
So you batty boy when name Owen. Man them hate me because Cartel follow me and show me ratings. Brother, you know it's a batty boy. You can't you don't even sound like a man. You know see a batty boy. Let me tell you something. Stop following me up, G. Stop following me up. People want to go over him page since like I'm so excited. I'm go over him page and just tell him for me say, my batty boy. I'm just go over him page. Everybody watch a video. Just go over him page and say batty boy, lift up. A Gaza and representing a Gaza. When since Gaza gets so shaky, me tell you about the Gaza thing. You want Kevin and the whole I want to sit on live today. When since Gaza man so inviting to all batty boy, me can't rate Gaza fans him. And the Gaza blogger them, I don't say it already. Well, I'm not a batty boy, but man them hate me because Cartel follow me and show me ratings. Just sound like a big group of girl want to fuck.
Jano Sheik Fire, so you deal with Owen Allen, one of Vibes Cartel prominent vlogger them, Jaja God. Just the other day we see Owen Allen do a video and say, Vibes Cartel follow me, Vibes Cartel follow me back. Rascal people, wouldn't see what I go on, Nico Fire, clot him to blood clean. And viewers and subscribers, Owen Allen are the brother we're crippled, you know. He my brother we're crippled, we're forward out and disrespect Alkaline in the wickedest way. I want to know why I carry sour feelings. Judge, I'm not going to say that. You know why I carry feelings for Alkaline? Because Alkaline never respond to him or Alkaline no give him no highlight. Just like how Cartel give him highlight and prop him up and follow him, he did want Alkaline to follow him. Because at one point, he did want to be a vendetta vlogger. But because Alkaline never run into him like how Vibes Cartel do them now, yeah, them switch sides. But make them switch sides. We never want them over here anyway. We never want them to be no vendetta vlogger, none at all. Them want to be vendetta vlogger just because them want following and them want the traction and them want the views. So because Vibes Cartel follow him now and he was excited about it, yeah, make him go and champion over that side. Don't come over here, so. But Sheik Fire, Sheik Fire, clot the man to blood clean. And then again, he can't get up and run, you know. Jaja, God.
In a 2026, is a shame and disgrace to see where Vibes Cartel hard work of building the Gaza has turned out to be. Gaza lose its militancy. Me never know Gaza people as no little chatty mouth. And one of the rules of the Gaza was nobody business. And the Gaza of a man who they claim or him claim himself, me no know. Same at the front runner of the Gaza. And every word will come out of him mouth is about Batty. The militant Gaza nation when me know, you could have never have that. You could have never have Gaza a dress up man as woman. Not the Gaza I know. Vibes Cartel hard work a perish. And The real Gaza citizens, them just sit back and watch it a fade away. Them have somebody where I don't know when come from, one Kevin. And the reflection where I reflect the Gaza right now out there is a disgrace. But one thing me have to say to the lieutenant them for the Gaza. After Vice Cartel worked so hard, blood, sweat and tears to build the Gaza, a so now go make a man come fish up the Gaza. Cause right now, see it now, you know. Me never hear so much Batman fishy kind of thing surround the Gaza name yet. Not the Gaza when me didn't know.
Yo, me I wonder which Gaza J Progress I talk about. Or which Gaza you talk about, hombre. Gaza has been that way in a whole heap of funny arguments around the Gaza all the time, you know. Who no member, man? Remember say a Vibes Cartel it bore him tongue, you know, and Bounty Killer and I don't call him out feet, you know. Remember say a Vibes Cartel have tongue ring in his mouth, you know. What not talk about? Vibes Cartel endorse all of the fuck with them. Vibes Cartel, Gaza, the whole of them. Always have some batty business things that deal with. Remember, you know, so Vibes Cartel grew Matsus from him a 14-year-old, you know. And from Matsus a 14, him there on Cartel now. What him say now? Cartel I'm daddy. Cartel I'm father. You see a batty man that? The way how Matsus go on, you know, say a batty man. Matsus forward out the other day and say him would have dead for Vibes Cartel in a split second. So, we in a surprise if we see one Kevin, you know, a go on on the social media over Gaza and over Cartel. And I talk about batty business. Whole Gaza batty up from morning and nothing new. Vibes Cartel endorse them, make it even worse. The whole of them, who not see Gaza uncle got Cartel yard. And for him sit down pan Cartel chair, him just put him batty pan Cartel counter. Cartel and him sit down pan the counter, the island counter. So, what that say? No most batty man them dog. Vibes Cartel in a video of Ogo Popcorn and Mad Suits. Close range, face and face, a touch. Where y'all said to me, Gaza been fishy up long time, dog. How wrong Gaza y'all talk about J Progress? No, sir, not the right one y'all talk about. I wrong one.
See, I love you, dog. I'm gonna care who want us, who want wine, I'm gonna suck on the man, brother. Mad Sauce, love you, bro.
Tears right now, bro.
Free brother. Tears right now, bro. Show some people to know, brother. I love all the guys that stand up with me. Right, Joe. I know they must stand up with me. I love them to see it.
Look how much man in midfield. Batty boy. So could you have so much man in midfield? Yeah.
Vibes Cartel rate Alkaline to debone.
I would alone do not like Alkaline. Right now, Alkaline is Vibes Cartel #1 artist. Me nah ask that. Vibes Cartel no listen to no other artist song away from Alkaline. And him take him one line them. Yeah. And him build him song round them. Listen to Cartel song them. And listen if you no hear so the man listen to Alkaline song them. And you alone what you go on like you have some big shit in a plate, you know. Because Vibes Cartel rate the artist, you know. I say Vibes Cartel no rate no more artists in a dancehall, but Alkaline. Alkaline a theme artist where him listen to all of the man song them. And watch the man how the man program and rate the man. Me nah ask that. Me know say Vibes Cartel rate Alkaline to him a move. But you see, uno the look blood time or still happy as them out, yeah? Uno come out and chat a body and rubbish and chat some whole heap shit and make it look like say, oh, Cartel do not rate the man. Because uno a look something from the side. You understand? Cartel rate Alkaline to the bone. Just listen how the man take lines from the man, song them and a make some song and a put out and give you things to chat about because the man knows how no love chat. So he make certain say you know some things we come chat about. You understand? Cartel rate Alkaline to the bone. I mean if you ask that guy, if he never rate Alkaline, him only listen to Alkaline song them. Him know Alkaline song them from front straight round. And I ask that. So all who come talk about Ray and Tete, you don't go sit down one side because you don't understand what go on. Enough of us so no Gaza fans, I look some follow up off a cartel and I look for get some views and all them. Something. No real Gaza fans can don't even listen to cartel music them. Because cartel have some song I wrote one don't even know. I see him think when they want to come and run out and talk about the artists who get the Grammy and Rivalry. And we don't even know so the man they all do song with cartel. For sure, no say no real Gaza fans can listen to the man music them. Because if you know the real Gaza fans, you know that listen to all the cartel music them and know what him do, collab and all them something there. You understand? And right now, cartel and Alkaline good have all the collab and don't even know some big shit in a place. You know, go man don't know some big tilapias out on dry land.
Hold up, Elder, you move too fast. What kind of collaboration you talk about Alkaline and Cartel have? You mad? You have sense? I understand everything what you said earlier. I said Cartel rate Alkaline, because if him never rate Alkaline and Cartel wouldn't a clash from 2015 come straight back till now. And now Vibes Cartel still a send shades off of Alkaline. But to say collaboration, brother, in the next life, maybe in our next life, we not see that a go on in another life, ya dog. We not see that. Respect to you as an elder, but no collaboration now go on with Alkaline and Cartel. Me tell you in a whole heap of vlogs already say, a dream or not a dream, a wishful thinking about collaboration, it will never happen. But we know say Cartel rate Alkaline, because every song where Alkaline sing, well, almost every song where Alkaline sing, Cartel either copy him style or either sing back a song, counteracting and sending shades to Alkaline. People, check the levels. From 2015 till now, Cartel sing song off of Alkaline. When him sing Box Lunch and Alkaline sing one in a them head. That is ratings right there. If him never rate Alkaline, him would not go back and forth with Alkaline. But viewers and subscribers, check back 2016. When Alkaline sing Black and Delete, Cartel sing, him a ill treat you, every minute him beat you, on top of that him is a freak where you eat you. When him done him want delete you, Black and Delete. So yeah, Cartel been a show shades, which is why we as the Vendetta fans, we know them. We know the shades them where Cartel sing. And we know the songs them because we know say Alkaline them a go after. Any song where we don't know, or where we know say now go after Alkaline. But we know the ones them where are shade. Yeah, me rate Cartel too. And me know say Cartel rate Alkaline and Alkaline rate Cartel too. It's just the rivalry. It's just the bantering. So whenever we see we put out vlog a banter the Gaza sides them. And because of them I do it too. So we are do it back to them. And we remember there was a time when them did a tear we down and we never have the platform, or well, we never create the platform for ourselves for fight back and talk back to things where them are say after we. So now that we're stronger than ever before and we are fight fire with fire. So viewers and subscribers, as the Umbrea say, as the Elder say, Cartel rate Alkaline, but the collaboration part, no dog, me not see that happening. A wrong station that dog. Wrong station. But viewers and subscribers, when you leave on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. When you know it going on, this is the end of the vlog. Vibes and Insight with Nanda. With another episode, I will catch you guys on another one. Peace. I'm out.